good morning. Welcome back, Simona Cochi, The Italian Way. Today we bring you an incredible story of a family based in Florence, and they represent the story of an Italian craftsmanship excellence straight from the heart of one of the beautiful city here in Italy. The historic Scuola del Cuoio is celebrating a record-breaking 2024, marking a significant milestone for this iconic institution. So the Gori family, who manages the school, has decided to share the prosperity with its 35 employers, awarding each one of them a net production bonus of 2,500 euro to be included in this December's paycheck. You could wonder, but okay, it's a good money, but I mean, can be this a news? Yes, it is, because here in Italy we are suffering from a very bad economic downgrade. Mostly the repercussions are on these little companies, and so in this case, it's the opposite. Their business has increased lately, also because who is going to lead the ranking of the best buyers? Americans, of course. So, speaking on this achievement, the family expressed heartfelt gratitude, stating that this success in such challenging moments has been dedicated to the 35 members of the staff. So, what is interesting about La Scuola del Cuoio is it's really a unique example of craftsmanship. So, Florence is famous not only for the historical sites, but also on how they master the art of working and crafting the leather. And so there are people all around the world that book bespoke and belt or bag, or we're gonna see together what the extended line they have, and they waiting until the seventh month since the booking. So the history is really interesting as well, because it has been founded by Marcello Gori in 1950, and also with Silvano Casini, with the support of the Franciscan monks of Santa Croce. You have to remember that in Italy, most of the times, even recently, the church and the ecclesiastic system supported this kind of activities. So the Scuola del Cuoio was established in the monastery's historic dormitory, in the monastery's historic orphans orphans part of this building. These orphans were assisted as they were saved due to the World War II, and they found the useful way to save these children by putting them in working with the leather. Over the decades, this workshop has become a symbol of Florentine artisanal excellence. Today, the Gori family's second and third generation, Laura, Francesca, Barbara, and their children Tommaso, Filippo, and Beatrice, carry on this legacy, blending centuries-old techniques with contemporary innovation. So the present is absolutely incredible, and we are gonna surf together the site of the families, in which you can admire yourself and check yourself on how many different collections and pieces of art they produce. So there is the shop with all the men, messages, bag, briefcase, backpacks, jackets, women, home and travel, and sales. In Italy, most of these little company in the 90s then become multinational, and but they wanted to be related to the tradition and to invest everything in their family. So the styles, classic, contemporary, Francesca Gori's creation, and then each member of the family try his own path. And then there is the schools. They come from all over the world, and let's discover together the courses, because I think it's absolutely unbelievable, and maybe people doesn't know what is behind this mastery leather bag and accessory course. So you see the price, the duration, the language, 2 modules, clutch bags, bucket bags, classic bags. Workshops also, they are very interesting. And okay, 3 hours workshops, 6 hours, 6 hour Francesca Gori workshops. Each member of the family has his own specialty to teach and to share with the people. And then they have Marcello Gori Foundation, and they deal in evaluation and also collecting and promoting this ancient art. Okay, I think it has been nice and tribute to one of our Italian families, and I hope you can go and visit their schools. But keep on staying tuned, because Simona Cochi is gonna storytell more on the Italian events, fashion, design, venues, and much more. Ciao belli. Ciao.